Hi, welcome to today's session. In this class, we're going to discuss about the topic that is how to find the substring in a given string. How to find substring in a given string. So here, first thing, this is the program. First thing I'm going to initialize, I'm going to declare the variable s1 and s2. S1 refers to main string and S2 refers to substring. S1 refers to main string. In the main string, I want to find the substring where this substring is available in the main string. S2 refers to substring, S1 refers to main string, and position I am initializing to 0. Position here I am initializing to 0. I will tell you with respect to this position, if whatever the position value is there, if this position is equal to -1, then you can say whatever the substring you're going to find in the main string that is not found. Whatever the substring you are identifying in the main string that is not found. If the position value equal to -1, other than this -1, and then it's going to return the position value. That's why starting position value is initialized to 0. Now enter the first string, that is what main string, through getters function. Getters of s1. It's going to read the main string including what white space character also. Entire line it's going to read. That is getters of s1. Then I am reading the what substring here. I am going to read the substring through getters function, that is s2. Now this if main string, this is what substring, both I am going to pass it as parameter to this function, that is what search str. This is what calling function. Now this is search str, it is available here. Search str, here I am declaring what pointer variable star s, it is pointing to the main string, that is s1. Then star ss, this is what substring, it is pointing to this one, s2. Star s, it is pointing to main string. Star ss, it is pointing to substring, this one. Here first I am going to read the main string, I am going to read the what substring, both I am going to pass parameter to this function, that is what search str. Now what's my duty here? First I am initializing length 1 value and length 2 value to 0. Length 1 refers to, that is length 1, length of the main string, and length 2 refers to length of the substring. Length 1 refers to length of the total length of the total character length of the main string, and length 2 total character length of the what substring. While first and foremost duty here, I am going to find both the lengths. Okay, both main string length and the substring length. While star of s plus length 1 not equal to null character, up to whatever the characters present in the main string that is not equal to null character, you keep on incrementing length 1 plus plus. Suppose if any character, last character, it is equal to null character, it come out from the while loop and it going to check, that is what length 1 value is incremented. And that length 1 is nothing but what total character length of the main string. Then while star of s plus ss plus length 2, that is what substring, right? Okay, while star of ss plus length 2 not equal to null character, it keep on checking whether the characters of the substring is not equal to null character or not. If it is not equal to null character, you keep on implementing length 2. If any character is equal to null character, it immediately come out from the while loop. Then you are going to this one for loop, because now what's your duty? After calculating the length of the string, you going to identify whether the substring is found in the main string or not. Whether the substring is found in the main string or not. That's why position value is initialized to 0. Position value is initialized to 0. Now position, okay, because here you are starting comparison from the left to right. You are starting comparison from left to right in the main string. position is assigned to 0. That is what it is initially pointing to 0th position. Okay, that is what first character of the main string. Position less than equal to length 1 minus 2 length 2. Length 1, difference between length 1 and the length 2. Length 1 refers to length of the character length of the main string. Length 2 refers to character length of the substring. Here I am going to take the difference. Up to that time I am going to compare that position. It is less than this one. Okay, up to that one I am going to search starting from 0th position, 0, 1, 2, up to length 1 minus length 2. Then if it is okay, it goes to another for loop. For j is assigned to 0, j less than length 2. Okay, now here with respect to substring, okay, this j is assigned to 0, right? With respect to substring, it's going to keep on incrementing the what positions. With respect to substring, it keep on incrementing the position. That's why j is assigned to 0, 0 less than length 2. That is length 2 is nothing but what? Total character length of the substring. If it is okay, it immediately enters into if condition. Here you are checking if star of s plus position plus j. This is what, here you are comparing the characters of the main string with the characters of the substring from that particular position. Okay, from with respect to that particular position, it keep on comparing characters of the main string with characters of the substring. Okay, suppose if it is not equal, then it immediately you are writing a break. It immediately come out from this for loop. Then it is incrementing next position. That is what position 1. Suppose if the characters are equal, you keep on incrementing the j values. You keep on incrementing the j. Next j is assigned by 1. 1 less than length 2 means you are comparing with second character of the substring with the second character of the what that from that particular position. Okay, with respect to that particular position, I am going to compare second character of the main string. Okay, so if both are matches, again it incrementing the j value. If that particular j is equal to, that is whatever the j is incremented, that is equal to length 2, you can return, that is what, return with position plus 1, because here you are starting from 0. Okay, now because I can't say position, that is what this for example, this student in sitting in 0th bench, not, I can't declare like that, right? That's why position, it is what, position plus 1, because that particular student is sitting in first bench, second, next student is sitting in second bench, like that only I can say. That's why position plus 1. Okay, here I am starting with first position, second position, third position, like that, not from 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. That's why position plus 1, you are returning that one to here. If position is not equal to -1, then it's going to print that particular position. So now we will check how it works here with respect to that tracing part. This is what tracing part to find the substring in the given string. First thing, this is the what string I am going to read. This is the what main string. Okay, main string is what, s1. Okay, s1 is what main string variable. I took s1. First I am going to read the main string. That is what I assume I read Mohan. Then with respect to the substring, that is what I read HAN. With respect to the substring, what I read HAN, that is S2. Now what's my duty? First I am going to find length 1, that is what, character length of the first string and character length of the second string. Length 1 and the length 2, it is initialized to 0, right? While star of s plus 0, this is pointing to this one. This is m not equal to null character, length 1 value. Okay, previously length 1 value is 0, now it is incremented by 1, length 1 plus plus. Now while s plus length is what, s plus length 1, that is 1, right? This is pointing to this one. O not equal to null character, length 1 is 2. Then h not equal to null character, length 1 is 3. A not equal to null character, length 1 is 4. N not equal to null character, length 1 is 5. While s plus 5, this one s1 of 5, this is pointing here. This star is pointing to s1. that is not equal to, that is what s1 of 5 is null character, null character equal to null character, null character not equal to null character. Here you are checking, that's why condition false. Similarly, you're going to find length for the substring, that is length to han length is what, 3. Similarly, whatever the way proceeded here, same thing you're going to write here. Now what's my duty? Okay, that is first thing, position is assigned to 0, 0 less than equal to length 1 minus length 2. I am taking the difference between this length and this length, main string length and the substring length. 5 minus 3 is what, 2. So I will perform comparison starting from 0, next 1, 2. Okay, up to 3 comparison I will do here, starting from 0, next 1, then next 2. Within that only substring I am going to find, means that position I am going to find. If that is not matches, then that substring is not found in the main string. Now that's why first j, it is if this is true, now you are checking with for loop, that is what j is assigned to 0. Starting from the first position of the substring, your comparison 0 less than length 2, length 2 value is what, 3, condition is what, true only. Now you are checking the characters of the main string, it is matching with the characters of the substring, while star of, okay, s plus position, okay, position value is what, 0, okay, plus j value. Okay, right, see here once again in the code part, while star of s plus position plus j, that is equal to 0. Star of s plus position plus j. So what it is there, star of s plus 0, star of s plus 0 is what, first thing m, m is not equal to star of ss plus 0, that is what, h, right, substring, that is what substring, ss refers to here, s2 of 0, h, m not equal to h, condition is what, true, it breaks the for loop, right? Okay, this for loop. So now control goes to here, position is incremented by 1, 1 less than equal to 2, s, condition is true. Now you are checking with j is equal to 0, 0 less than 3, condition is true. If star of s plus position value is what, 1, plus j value is what, 0, that is what, star of s plus 1, it is pointing to this one, main string o not equal to star of ss plus 0, ss plus 0 is what, this. First I comparing m with h, this condition failed. Now I incremented the position, I am comparing o with h, this one also fails. Again break, position is what, 2. Now I start comparison, this with this, this with this, main string with this substring. Position is equal to 2, 2 less than equal to 2, condition is true. J value is 0, 0 less than 3, condition is true again. If star of s plus position, that is what, 2, 2 plus j value is 0, not equal to star of substring, that is plus j value is equal to 0. Star of ss plus 0 is pointing to s2 of 0, that is what, h is not equal to h, no, right? Okay, h equal to h, so condition false. Now j value is incremented by 1, 1 less than 3, condition is true. If star of s plus position 2 plus j value is what, 1 here, that is this one, s plus 3, this star of s plus 3 is what, it is pointing to, wait, it is pointing to this one, a, right? So a not equal to star of ss plus 1, it is pointing to s2 of 1, a not equal to a, again condition fails, this one false. J value again it going to be incremented by 2, 2 less than 3, condition true. If star of s plus position, this is what, s plus 2 plus 2, that is what, s plus 4, this one is pointing to here, n equal to a star of ss plus j value, that is what, this is pointing to this one, n not equal to n, again condition false. If condition, so now j is going to be incremented by 3, 3 less than 3, condition false, it immediately come out from the j, right? Now j value is what here, 3, right? If j is equal to length 2, if j is equal to length 2, you're going to return the position plus 1. Okay, you're going to return the position plus 1. Position value is what? 2. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Means what? This substring is available at the third position, because I am starting from position 1, 2 and third. With respect to third position, this substring is available. That's why position plus 1 here. Okay, actually this one written position plus 1, so it clearly indicates what? This substring is available at the position what? 3. Since you are starting from 0, 0, 1, 2. Okay, but 2 here, but I am writing position plus 1. It clearly indicates, while you are while as a good programmer, what your duty? You need to write in the correct way. You need to print the position. That's why return position plus 1. That's why this HAN is available at the third position as string matches. This is how you're going to find substring in the given string. Okay, here this is how you're going to find the substring in the given string. Now we will see how this program works with the output. Okay, I will show output here for this one. Okay, first, otherwise, suppose if anything is not matches, it's going to return the -1. If -1 is returned, substring is not found. Otherwise, you're going to print the position. Here I return position plus 1. Now I will check, that is cc substring dot c. cc substrings dot c. I perform comparison dot slash a dot out. Enter the first string Mohan space Kumar. This is the first string. Then Umar is what? Second string. It is pointing at what? Eighth position. Okay, so it is pointing at which position? Eighth position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, 8th position. Umar, it is there. It is how you're going to find the substring in the given main string, right? Okay, if any doubts, you can comment in my text box or you can text me. So this is what how you're going to find the substring in the given string. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you one and all.